Ayan guys, good evening, good evening. Ayan po ang ating ulam for today. Ayan, ang ating dinner meal. Ayan, plain rice with sinigang na hipon with ayan, gulay na puro pagulong. Ayan po, ang gulay. Ayan, sigarilyas. Ayan, sigarilyas po. Ayan, ang sahog. Ayan, sarap. Only sabaw tayo with vegetable. Ayan, sarap po guys. Ayan guys, kain po tayo. Once again, ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at panonood. Maraming salamat. Have a nice evening and thanks for always watching. Bye bye.